Before the introduction of link, databases were accessed using the classes in the system.data.SqlClient namespace. These older classes do not have the flexibility of link, but you may see them being used in older projects. To begin this lesson, open the Market Trader project from your sample files folder. And open dataaccess.cs. All of the methods in this class perform database queries. Examine the getMarketQuotes method. This method uses link to return records from the quote database table. You are going to replace this code using the classes from the SqlClient namespace. Remove all code from the getMarketQuotes method. Now add the following using lines to the top of the code. Using system.data.SqlClient, using system.configuration. Now add the following code to the getMarketQuotes method. String connection string equals configuration manager dot connection strings market trader connection string dot connection string. A connection string contains the settings that are needed to connect to a database. Connection strings are stored in the web.config file inside the connection strings tag. The market trader connection string was automatically added to the web.config file when the market trader database was added to the project. The configuration manager class is part of the system.configuration namespace. Now add the following code on the next line. Using SQL connection equals new SQL connection string connection dot open. This code creates and opens a connection to the database. Notice that you have used a using statement to automatically dispose of the connection object once you have finished working with it. The SQL connection class is part of the system.data.SqlClient namespace. Now add the following code on the next line within the using statement. Using SQL command equals connection.create command. The SQL command class enables you to send SQL code to the database. It can also be used to execute stored procedures. Once again, you have enclosed the object in a using statement to automatically dispose of the command object once you have finished working with it. You will use this object to execute an SQL query and retrieve the results in the next lesson. That's lesson 10.6. Close Visual Studio now, saving your changes if prompted. You've now completed Lesson 10.5. Connect to a database using the SqlClient namespace.